good, isn't it? Shaking it. Do you like it?
And I don't like it.
You don't like it now?
No.
Okay, don't worry then.
Let's go, guys.